Is coding dead? I see this question pop up all the time, on Twitter, on Reddit, everywhere. And honestly, it's a valid question. With all the crazy advancements in AI tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot are getting so good, it feels like they can just write code for you. You just tell them what you want in plain English, and poof, there's the code. So, are we all about to be replaced by robots? Is learning to code in 2024 a massive waste of time? Well, let's calm down for a second and take a closer look. The short answer is no, coding is not dead, not even close. But it is changing, and it's changing fast. What we're seeing is the rise of something called natural language programming. It's this idea that you can program a computer using your everyday language. Like English, instead of a formal programming language like Python or JavaScript. Think about it. You can now go to ChatGPT and say, hey, write me a Python script that pulls the weather data for New York City and saves it to a file, and it will actually do it. For a lot of simple tasks, this is incredibly powerful. It's like having a junior developer on call 24/7 who never gets tired and works for pennies. This has led a lot of people to believe that soon we won't need human programmers at all. We'll just have prompt engineers who are really good at telling AI what to do. But here's the thing that many people miss. Coding is not just about writing lines of text. That's just the final step. The real work of a software engineer is about problem solving. It's about understanding a complex business need, breaking it down into smaller, manageable pieces, designing a robust and scalable system, thinking about edge cases, security, performance, and maintainability. The AI can write the code. Sure, but can it understand the subtle nuances of a client's request? Can it have a deep conversation to figure out what the user * needs, not just what they * say * they need? Can it design a complex software architecture that will serve millions of users without crashing? Not yet. Let's take a simple example. You ask an AI to build a login page. It will give you a perfect-looking login form. But did it consider security? Is it protected against SQL injection or cross-site scripting? Did it think about what happens if a user forgets their password? What about two-factor authentication or social logins with Google and Facebook? How does this login system integrate with the 5 other microservices your company is running? These are the questions that a human software engineer spends their day thinking about. It's about systems thinking and architectural design. The code itself is just the tool we use to implement that design. And right now, AI is very good at being a tool, but it's not very good at being the architect. It's like giving a master craftsman a super-powered saw. The saw makes cutting wood easier and faster, but it doesn't replace the craftsman's vision, skill, and experience in knowing what to build and how all the pieces should fit together. The craftsman is still the one in charge. So, how is the job of a developer actually changing? Instead of being replaced, developers are being augmented. These AI tools are becoming incredible productivity boosters. Tasks that used to take hours, like writing boilerplate code, creating unit tests, or debugging a tricky function, can now be done in minutes. I use them myself all the time. If I'm stuck on a piece of logic, I'll ask Copilot for a suggestion. If I need to write a regular expression, which, let's be honest, nobody enjoys, I'll get an AI to do it. This frees up our mental energy to focus on the more important high-level tasks. The problem solving, the design, the architecture. We get to spend less time on the tedious grunt work and more time on the creative, strategic parts of the job. In a way, AI is making the job of a developer more interesting, not less. We're moving from being code monkeys to being true engineers and problem solvers. This also means the bar for what it means to be a good developer is getting higher. Just knowing the syntax of a language isn't enough anymore. Anyone can get an AI to spit out syntax. What will set you apart is your deep understanding of computer science fundamentals. Things like data structures, algorithms, system design, and software architecture. These are the timeless principles that AI can't just replicate from its training data. They require true comprehension and critical thinking. So, if you're just starting to learn to code, should you be worried? Absolutely not. But you should be smart about how you learn. Don't just focus on memorizing Python syntax. Focus on understanding why things work the way they do. Build projects from scratch. Learn how to debug code effectively. Learn how to design a system before you write a single line of code. These are the skills that will remain valuable for decades to come. Think of it this way. The invention of the calculator didn't make mathematicians obsolete. It just freed them from doing tedious arithmetic and allowed them to focus on higher-level mathematical concepts. In the same way, AI programming assistants won't make programmers obsolete. They will empower us to build bigger, better, and more complex things than ever before. The future of programming isn't no code, it's less code, or maybe smarter code. It's a future where developers work in partnership with AI. The human provides the vision, the creativity, and the critical thinking. The AI provides the speed and the efficiency to turn that vision into reality. It's a symbiotic relationship. And what about natural language programming? Will we all just be talking to our computers one day? Maybe, to some extent. But language is often ambiguous. When you're building a critical system, you need precision. You need logic that is unambiguous and deterministic. That's what formal programming languages are designed for. So while natural language will be a fantastic interface for many tasks, the underlying logic will likely still be built on the rigorous foundation of code for the foreseeable future. So, to wrap it all up, is coding dead? Far from it. It's evolving. The role of the developer is shifting from a pure code writer to a system architect and a problem solver who leverages AI as a powerful tool. The future is incredibly bright for those who are willing to adapt and focus on the fundamental, timeless skills of engineering. The demand for people who can think logically, design robust systems, and solve complex problems is only going to increase. Don't be afraid of the AI revolution. Embrace it. Learn how to use these new tools to become a better, faster, and more effective developer. The future of coding is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Thanks for watching. I hope this gave you a clearer perspective on the future of our field. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next one.